Hey guys, this is Daires and Akilah of DIYPC.
In this video, we're going to show you how we painted our IKEA bunk bed as part of our daughter's bedroom makeover. The gray color of the metal was not exactly what our daughter envisioned for her bedroom makeover, so instead of buying a new bed, we decided to save money and paint her furniture. This metal bed has held up so well to both of the kids climbing, making forts, so we definitely wanted to keep this sturdy furniture and give it a makeover. So let's get started.
This old IKEA bed was still in great shape after all these years. The first thing we did was add missing hardware and remove the old ladder tread strips to prepare the bed for painting. Then we sanded the metal to rough it up for priming. We used 60 grit sanding pads from our mouse sander on the outer frame of the bed. We realized how many bars this bed had after we started sanding.
Our third step was to prime. Since this was part of a room makeover, we used the paint gun to spray the entire room and bed with the primer. We did not have to cover our carpet because we replaced it with LVT flooring. You can check out that transformation here, or the link we'll add in the description below. Priming was necessary because we were going from a dark color to a light color, and then we had to let it air out overnight. So you see that we primed everything white, and we're gonna turn this into pink.
We were so happy that our daughter chose a light pink for her room since we were also painting the walls.
And now I am going through and painting it with a water-based pink paint. So after we're done painting, we'll check out the finish to see how durable it is, and then we'll see if we need a top coat. Let me tell you, those bars were pretty tricky to paint around. We had to take turns to make sure we got underneath, on the sides, and we didn't miss a spot. I'm so glad hubby could reach the top bars pretty easily. After 2 coats of paint, we did spray a polyacrylic top coat all over the bed frame.
We were excited to find a peel and stick safety product that was just the thing we needed for her ladder. We cut the rectangle tread into strips with our utility knife, and we used our L-shaped ruler to keep the lines straight. Once we were done cutting, we made sure they were all the same size. Now it was time to add the new treads to the stairs. We peeled off the backing and stuck them on in the center of each step.
We are loving our new pink metal IKEA bunk bed that was once dark gray. So guys, what do you think about this makeover? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the entire room makeover series. And we'll see you in the next video.